Stacey, I saw your snow totals earlier from the mountains. I am shocked at how much snow across the state we got.
So much, and thank goodness we needed this as a little shot in the arm here to start the new year with some good snow in the high country and even here for the Front Range. Nice little coating, about 3 inches in downtown Denver, just over an inch out at the airport. Monument and Black Forest, about 10 inches of snow. We definitely had the higher amounts to the south and to the west. Boulder at 6 inches, Arvada at 5, and then in the city of Loveland, 1 inch of snowfall. But up in the mountains, 12 inches for Steamboat, 10 for Aspen, and the Denver Metro about 3, as I mentioned, 1.1 officially out at the airport. Now tonight in Denver, we're expecting dry conditions, but it will be a chilly one. Temperatures in the 20s all the way through 11 o'clock tonight, but our overnight lows will fall into the teens overnight. Now the sunshine returns going into the weekend. It'll be warming up for the next few days, and those highs will be above average for this time of year, which is in the mid 40s. Today we only made it into the 30s for the day. 32 at the airport, 37 in Sterling, and 36 toward Fort Collins. Up in the mountains, mostly teens and 20s as well. 21 degrees our low last night, 32 degrees our high today, and our average high is 45 degrees this time of year. And we're in the 20s right now, but it feels like it's 14 degrees out there. And we're seeing those skies clear here for our area. That low pressure region is pushing off into the central plains and kind of pulling that snow with it. That's what brought us the snow last night and early this morning. Now this big high pressure is moving in, and it'll take over for a few days, take us into next week, and pump us up into the 60s for afternoon highs as we get into Monday and Tuesday. For the time being, we still have some snow along the I-25 corridor, mostly into southern Colorado, and that is going to move out as we go through the next few hours. We just had all of our watches and warnings expire here for southern Colorado. 17 will be our overnight low here in Denver with clear skies, and as you wake up tomorrow morning, it'll be a cold one. 15 degrees in Greeley, 16 in Akron, only 6 in Lyman, with some below zero temperatures in the higher elevations. Our stock show planner tomorrow looks good. Sunny skies. We'll have temperatures in the 40s, which is close to average for this time of year, but it will be a chilly start for the day. Sunshine into the afternoon with those highs in the 40s. We're expecting a high 45 degrees with mostly sunny skies, and we are going to see nice quiet conditions all weekend. So those highs in the 40s here for Denver and the eastern plains. We'll have 20s up into the higher elevations, and right here around Metro Denver, mostly 40s as well, with 20s up toward Estes Park. Now it looks great on our 7-day forecast. A little dry though for us, so we'd like to get a little more moisture in here, but our high will be 55 degrees on Sunday, into the low 60s to start next week, and then we'll have 50s midweek Wednesday and Thursday. Our next cool down coming next Friday with 42 degrees as our afternoon high.